How to repair these vertical blinds. Ever have this happen to your vertical blind? They just fall down because I pulled this piece off. What you need is a piece of sturdy plastic like this. I used this off an acrylic tube. And I cut this off and it looks like that. Then I need some Loctite glue, just like this. Liberally apply some of the Loctite glue to this little piece of plastic you cut. Okay, I put a spot on there on each side, one over here and one over here. Just place it on there like that. Press down for 30 seconds. And now the repair is done. Let's install it. Yeah, gets pushed right in there. See, it's like a little clampy thing. Oh yeah, and just like that, it is finished. Hallelujah. Took me 2 seconds.